Hello everybody, SIF Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook mobile. It's an easy process, so let's start. This is same as Android and iPhone, so let's begin. First of all, open your Facebook app in your Android and iPhone. After that, go to the profile section. Here you can see the profile. After that, you can see a three dot beside the edit profile option, so click on that. After that, you will see options that turn on professional mode. Just scroll down and you will see options that turn on professional mode, so click on that. After that, you can see the professional mode features. Just click to the turn on options and wait a second. You will see the features is now turned on. Just go back and you will see your profile is now a professional mode, so just click to the three dot and click to the view as options. Here you can see the profile is now on professional mode. So that's the process how you can make your Facebook profile to professional mode. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.